Say what you will about Harbor Freight tools, but they do have some pretty good sales sometimes. And I recently picked up this little Icon ratcheting screwdriver set. Other than the fact that the latch has no label of which way it goes, and you kind of have to get used to holding it a certain way to open it, this is a nice little set, and I think it'd be a good addition to anybody's lab. Now, of course, we don't sell these. I don't make any money off this, but I just want to show you a handy tool. So you've got this little ratcheting handle in here, and you can take a bit. It's got a lot of screwdriver bits and Torx bits and things with it. So this is a little number 1 Phillips, and you can put it into their head, and it ratchets. So if there's a screw deep inside a cabinet or something that you need to get to, you can stick this in there and use it. I'd not seen one of these before until my A&P came out and was trying to install a radio in an aircraft, and he had one of these. I thought this was a great little thing. It also has a button that lets you flex the head, and it locks into position. It's not just a loose flex head, which I really like. So you can get in at some weird angle. It also has the hex on the bottom. So you can put the bit in the bottom and use it more like a normal screwdriver. In the set, there's also an extension. So I'm going to grab the extension, put it into the tool, and there I've got a long ratcheting screwdriver, or I can put it in the bottom, maybe even flip the head over 90 degrees, and now I can get a deep reach screwdriver down into something as long as this diameter isn't too big. So I think this was normally listed for around $40, and I was able to get it for 25% off with the sale that they had going on. I'm really excited to add this to my toolkit, and I think it's worth considering putting in your lab or your toolkit as well, because there's always going to be a screw that's hard to get to.